Dear students, welcome you all for the third chapter's first session, that is meaning and objectives of recruitment. So in this chapter, in this session, we are going to discuss what is the meaning of recruitment and also what are the various objectives of recruitment. So this is the learning objective and also session outcome. So let's go to the meaning of recruitment. So what is recruitment? So recruitment in very simple words, it's a process of finding candidates for the vacant position and encouraging them to apply for it. So there is a vacant positions that is created in the organization and your job is to find suitable candidates, okay, suitable or prospective candidates for that position, and not only finding the candidates but you have to stimulate them or motivate them to apply for that position. So that is the meaning of recruitment. So there is a definition given by Edwin B. Pliffo. What he says, so according to him, recruitment is the process of searching the candidates for employment and stimulating them to apply for jobs in the organizations. He clearly, crystal clear, his definition is crystal clear. What he says in a clear terms, okay, it is a process of searching for the candidates. So you have to go to the different places and search for the suitable candidates for the job, and not only searching for the candidates but you have to make them to apply for the job. So that is the job or that is a function of recruitment. So from the recruitment meaning and definition, it is clear that recruitment means finding the or searching the candidates for the job and making them to apply for that job. Now let us discuss objectives of recruitment one by one. The first one, to attract and encourage more and more candidates to apply. One of the main objective of recruitment is to attract people, attract the candidates. So they should feel that I should apply for this company, I should apply for this job. So that attraction has to be created by the company, and also encouraging people. So not only attracting but also they should be encouraged. So how the company has to encourage? So by giving them or stimulating them, by motivating them, so that they will apply for the job. Then second one, to create a talent pool of candidates for the selection of best candidates. So here another objective of recruitment is to create a list of the candidates. So if you have more and more number of candidates for a job, what happens? Okay, it is good for the organization because you can select the best employees from the pool of candidates. If you have only one candidate for one job, there is no option, you have to select that particular candidate itself. But if you have 10 candidates for one job, imagine the selection process, it will be a rigorous selection process and you will get the best employee. The third one, to attract people with multidimensional skill and experiences. So third objective is to make attract the people. So the HR department, human resource department has to make the people apply for the job. Who are those people? These people should be highly skilled people, highly experienced people. Okay, the human resource department has to go to these people, convince them and make them to apply for the job. The fourth one is to infuse fresh blood at all levels of organization. So another objective is to infuse the fresh blood. So what happens in a human body? Fresh blood is infused. So you feel fresh, right? That freshness will be seen the entire body. In the same way, fresh candidates with fresh experience, new skills have to be brought into the organization. So when fresh candidates, new employees come into the organization, the entire organization feels fresh. So that is another objective of recruitment. Then the fifth one, to hunt for competent people. So most of the organization in today's world search for a suitable people, suitable candidates who is highly experienced, highly skilled, who can do the multitasking, not only one job but he can do so many jobs. And how we can select these competent people? It is only through recruitment, by making them to apply for the job. Then to search for global talents. It is not only the talents within the country or within the boundary. See, today's organizations are global organizations. So there is globalization. Every entire world has become a village. So in this scenario, the people or the human resource department has to search for the candidates all over the world. So when the people from all over the world come into organization, so there will be different culture, different tradition, different skills, different experiences. So when all this mix, organization will grow. So these are the various objectives of recruitment. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.